Hello everyone, welcome to another Our Tech Room video. Today I will be teaching you how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11. Python is the language that gets many people started into coding simply because it's so easy to install and use. In order to install Python, there are a few steps that we will have to follow. So let's get right into and install Python in our PCs. First, open the browser of your choice. I'm opening Brave, and then go to python.org. This should land you in this website, and when you're in this website, click on Downloads. Here we can see that the latest version of Python is Python 3.11.4, so we will be downloading that. I will click the download button and save it in my desktop. Now that the file is done downloading, let me start installing it. While installing this, you'll simply have to follow the prompts that are given to you in the installation file. However, don't forget to click on the add python.exe to path checkbox. This is important because using this option lets your operating system know that you have installed Python and that it is installed in the Python directory. If you don't click this, you will have to run the Python program with the path to the whole Python program instead of simply typing in Python in the terminal. You will understand this later when we first run our code. Now, if you have done this, click on Install Now. This will ask for administrative permissions, and I am clicking Yes. This will automatically install Python in your system. And that's it. You have successfully installed Python 3.11 on Windows 11. After the installation is complete, simply click on the Close button at the bottom right corner of the window. Now this is all you need for setting up Python, but if you are planning on coding, let's set up VS Code while we are at it. I am assuming that you already have VS Code installed. If not, check out the link below on how to install and set up VS Code. Now let me open VS Code. This is my VS Code window. After you have opened VS Code, from the Files menu, open a folder as I show. I am selecting the test folder on my desktop. After you open the folder, from the left bar, simply click on this new file icon, and after you have clicked on this new file icon, give the name to the new file. Here I have given the new file firstprogram.py. The .py extension is important because it is the extension for Python files. After you have given the name and the extension, simply type the code. This is your first program, and you will have to save it with Ctrl and S keywords. Now you will open the terminal as follows. Go to Terminal and click on New Terminal. This opens the terminal. Check the path in the terminal. Make sure that you are in the same folder as your program. Now type in the following command in the terminal: Python firstprogram.py. You don't have to type the entire way, because if you press tab after you hit the first three letters, it should give you the file name that you're looking for, and simply press enter. Here we can see that the program has run and it has given us the output hello world. And that's it. You have successfully installed and run your first Python program. Now, while we are in VS Code, I highly recommend that you install the following extensions. You can install extensions from this little icon. First, look for the Python extension. It's right here, or you can search it here. If you look for it, you can see that the Python extension is developed by Microsoft, and it provides the following: IntelliSense, linting, debugging, and notebooks, code formatting, refactoring, unit tests, and more. After the Python extension, you can also install the Pylance extension. Pylance extension is also developed by Microsoft. It is developed by the same team that developed the Python extension, and it has same features that the Python extension gives. After you have installed these extensions, you will be coding like a wizard in no time. Well, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a good time coding, and if you have any problems, please make sure to comment them and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.